bite his tail.
From slippery floors to bad jumps, we have it all. Welcome to Cat Fail Central. He sat there judging me, then randomly ragdolled on the floor.
You gotta be nice to your mom. You understand me, Ming? Oh!
He sat there like a king, then he wanted push-ups. The cat said, "Add weight." He was eating peacefully, then saw a spiky Roomba and hit eject.
Oh my god, he took your lizard. We're not.
He's not behind the glass, he's behind his villain arc.
Și să nu-i plictisesc cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
Let me in. Marshmallow. Get you with that camera.
Yum! Why do you look like a roast chicken, buddy? You're literally just cooking by the heater. You look like a chicken.
It's pistachio ice cream.
Okay, Bubba, let's step it up. Show me the apple.
Huh?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
Hey, yo, the pizza here.
Looking for Ruby the baby cat the whole time until I found out.
Moisha.
Long time? I don't know, are they like falling apart?
I guess.
Ah!
Now, don't say cats only eat, play and laze around. Learn to harness their talent.
No, 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 no.
You miss me?
It's okay. She's cussing me out right now. Oh my god.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
For me. Oh, thank. Oh no.
Give me the fluff. Oh, Jesus. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? No. Leave her alone.
These days, even a cat wants to be a hairstylist.
Open fire!
Oh my.
Man, did you see that shot?
Bro's like, I don't know the song, but I feel it in my paws.